Break away from the pack with a performance dyno tune from Black Hawk Motorcycles Naracoorte. Be it for competition, on the road or around the farm, our dyno tune system will deliver the best results possible. Specialising in Harley-Davidson, British, European, Japanese makes, as well as four-wheelers and ag bikes. Black Hawk Motorcycles are the first choice for mechanical repairs, engine rebuilds and custom-built bikes. When performance counts, trust no other. Black Hawk Motorcycles, 58 Gordon Street, Naracoorte.